Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a can of tuna. First, gather your ingredients and tools like a can opener, a fork, and a mixing bowl. Carefully open the tuna can and drain all the liquid. This step is crucial for a good texture. Then, transfer the drained tuna into your mixing bowl. We're aiming for a delicious, simple meal that's quick to prepare. Let's get cooking. Now, let's add some flavor. For a classic tuna salad, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. If you prefer a lighter option, try a tablespoon of Greek yogurt instead. Next, season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Feel free to add other spices you enjoy. Mix everything together until it's perfectly combined and creamy. This ensures every bite is flavorful. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling great. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Your delicious tuna is now ready to enjoy. There are so many ways to serve it. A classic tuna sandwich on toasted bread is always a winner. For a lighter option, try it with some crisp crackers or fresh vegetable sticks like celery and carrots. You can also use it as a protein-packed topping for a fresh green salad. It's a versatile meal that fits many occasions. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.